In this video, I will show you how to quickly summarize any Google Doc using the power of Claude. If you have ever been overwhelmed by a long report or a lengthy project proposal, this workflow is going to save you a tremendous amount of time. First, you need to have your Google Doc open and ready. You have two easy ways to get your information into Claude. The simplest way is to highlight all of the text in your document, right-click to copy it, or just use your favorite keyboard shortcut. If your document is exceptionally long or contains complex formatting, you might find it easier to export the file. To do this, go to the File menu in Google Docs, select the Download option, and choose PDF or plain text as your format. Once you have your content copied or your file downloaded, navigate over to the Claude website. In the chat interface, you can paste your text directly into the message box or click the attachment icon to upload the file you just saved. This is where the magic happens with a specific prompt. You should type something like, "Please provide a bulleted summary of this document while highlighting the key takeaways and specific action items." Claude will process the data instantly and give you a clear, concise overview of everything you need to know without you having to read every single page yourself. This method ensures you never miss a deadline or a critical detail again. Now you can get through your reading list in seconds. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you stay productive.